Today I am going to teach first chapter Economics Development. Development may be divided into two groups: material goals things and non-material goals things. Material goals, it includes income or money, car, houses, and non-material goals includes freedom, respect, security, equality. Second point, it can be measured. Non-material goals, it cannot be measured. Material goals, one can buy with it. Non-material goals, one cannot buy with it. Types of countries by the World Bank. मैं पहले ही आप लोग को बताए थे, जो डिफरेंट पर्सन हैविंग डिफरेंट गोल्स, अलग अलग लोगों का विकास का उद्देश्य अलग अलग होता है। लेकिन हम इस चैप्टर में किसी व्यक्ति का डेवलपमेंट के बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे। हम इस चैप्टर में कंट्री का डेवलपमेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो किसी भी देश का डेवलपमेंटल गोल्स किस चीज़ पे आधारित है, तो मैं प्रीवियस क्लासेस में बताया था, पर कैपिटा इनकम, लिटरेसी रेट, नेट अटेंडेंस रेशियो। Types of country by the World Bank: developed country and developing country. Developed countries with the per capita income of $12,610 per annum and above are called rich or developing countries. Developing countries with the per capita income of $1,035 or less are called low income or poor income countries. It is called developing countries. Per capita income means, per capita income is the average income. It is income per head of the population per year. It is also known as the per capita income. For example, per capita income, total income of the country divided by the total population of the country. अब यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन आपको बन सकता है, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन डेवलप्ड एंड डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. Developed countries, these countries have high per capita income. Developing countries, these countries have low per capita income. Second point, the standard of living of the people is high. The standard of living of the people is low. Third point, for example, USA, UK, Japan. Developing countries, for example, Nepal, Pakistan, India. अब नेशनल डेवलपमेंट, राष्ट्रीय विकास. नेशनल डेवलपमेंट is a comprehensive term, improvement in living standard of the people, increase in per capita income, providing social amenities like education, medical care, social services to the citizen of the country.